It is a great pleasure for Thorsten Weiner and me to invite you to the 23rd Düsseldorf International Endoscopy Symposium. We are excited to bring you the conference in a virtual format in February 2021.
As in all our previous meetings, we have an outstanding faculty from renowned experts from around the world. Almost 8 hours of live endoscopy cases will be transmitted from the Evangelisches Krankenhaus Düsseldorf and leading centers in Amsterdam, Brussels and Hyderabad. Additionally, mini-symposia, breakout sessions and state-of-the-art lectures will be broadcasted online.
The program has been designed to encourage your active participation and to stimulate discussions. You shouldn't miss this symposium. We are looking forward to a virtual presence wherever you are.